Hello students, good morning everyone. Today I will start you second chapter of your English reader. Listen to White Man in a cart. What is the meaning of cart? It is a type of vehicle generally pulled by an animal. So, this story is about a teacher whose name Guru Gampar, whose name was Guru Gampar, and he had 4 students. They never used to do anything without his Guru's permission. They are very obedient students. One day, Guru Gampar, along with his 4 students, were travelling to a far away to the town by block cart. On the way, Guru Gampar fell asleep. When Guru Gampar was sleeping, his head rolled from side to side, like when we are traveling any vehicle, how our body start to move. In this way, Guru Gampar's head start to move, rolled side to side. And suddenly his turban means it's a type of cap wearing on a head. Turban slipped from his head. His students saw this, but they can't do this. Why? Because Guru Gampar already said them never to do anything without his permission. So his student didn't dare to pick it up. When Guru Gampar wake up, his student said him about the loss of his turban. Guru Gampar was very angry. He shouted that from next time, if anything falls from a moving cart, just pick it immediately. He ordered his student. So the student followed. Then again they were continued on the way. After some time, a block dropped dung on the road. Dung is a type of waste material. Okay, dung is a type of waste material. Dropped dung on the road. At the time, all the students jumped from the cart. Guru was thinking why they are jumping. They jumped and hurried to pick the dung from the road. Why they are picked? As Guru ordered them that from next time if anything falls from the cart, you have to pick it. So they are follow the order of Guru. Guru was very shocked to see this. What they are doing? Then after he thought himself. He wrote a list of things that could be fall off from the moving cart and handed that list to his student and said that here is a list and whatever the things mentioned in the list, if any of these things fall off from the cart, you just pick it up immediately. And also ordered them, don't dare to pick if any other thing which is not mentioned in the list. All the students said, okay sir, we will follow. Then again they were continued on their way. After some time, the cart hit a stone and this movement caused Guru Gampar to be thrown out of the cart. He fell into a ditch. What is the meaning of a ditch? Ditch is a type of a long drain generally used to pass water. He fell into a ditch. He shouted and he asked to his student to pull him out from the ditch. But the student didn't do this. Why they didn't do this? Because already Guru Gampar had given them a list and ordered them whatever the list he had given, he said, whatever the list I am giving to you and whatever the name mentioned in the list, you just pick it, that one. And Guru Gampar name is not mentioned in the list. So they didn't dare to pick this. So they replied to the Guru that, sir, we can't do this because you have gave us a list and you said us that whatever the name mentioned in the list, we have to pick that one, and your name is not mentioned, so how we can do this? Guru Gampar was very irritated, and student thought that their guru is taking taste of them. So they replied to his guru that, sir, don't think, we will never disobey you. Whatever the order you have given us, we will follow your order. Again Guru Gampar agreed. He again asked them to pull him out of the ditch, but student wouldn't listen him. At last he was very irritated and again asked for the list. Just give me the list. So the student returned the list to Guru Gampar and gave him a pen. At the time Guru Gampar also mentioned his name also in the list. Finally, then after, his beloved student pulled out his guru from the ditch. So students, what we learn from the story? That yes, it is very good to be obedient, to follow the rules and regulation of our teacher, but sometimes we have to also use our own common sense. So students, your class ends with this lesson. Next time we will again meet with a new chapter. Bye-bye.
Ele vai